Step 1. Clean off rust and paint before installation. Step 2. Take out this device from the package. Loosen the 4 screws of the sensor. Step 3. Tear off the sticker on the coupling sticker. Apply the coupling compound to the coupling sticker. Apply evenly. Step 4. The arrows are aligned with the direction of the fluid. Install the upper and lower pipe clamps at the selected position on the pipe. Tighten screws diagonally. Step 5. Connect the wires and power on the machine. Flowmeter has 4 keys. Operation instructions below. Menu, up, down, confirm. Upper part of the display area. R indicates normal measurement. I indicates no signal. G indicates searching signal. Enter pipe OD, wall thickness and material for instant accuracy. Traffic data shows normal. Installation complete. Easy measurement.